Well, I'm about to depart. What is going on? 6 people biking to Gimli. It's gonna be crazy. Bye. Look at this. Oh boy.
Wait, it's too short.
Ethan's ahead of us.
Ethan, it's too short.
Number 2. John's seat is good.
Yeah,
Now we're good. Bye.
Bye.
Look at this. Like what? Oh,
So the idea is that we're gonna go to Gimli in St. Andrews, but there's a little catch. There's 6 people.
I think it's recording right now. Alright.
So it wasn't recording your whole one this time?
No, it was recording.
It's your boy Ethan. We're back on another adventure here. We got the crew. What's your name? Oh, what's your name, boy?
My name's Caleb Hofer.
What's your name?
My name is John Paul.
You should do the baby voice again.
And I've been on the run for 6 weeks.
Okay, we're about to die. We've left them. Oh, that's my mother right there. That was my mother.
well, tis our first little stop. Caleb's house. There's some garbage bags. About to get on the highway.
I'm armed. Armed.
What?
Yeah, that's what I
Got the chair. Our first little stop on the side of the highway. Here we are.
I was hunched over. Just keep it straight back.
Yeah. 44 kilometers. Well, little side quest here.
Okay, you made it out of thick land. Oh,
A nickel?
nickel.
What year?
From what year?
I'm checking 1940. Wow.
Wait, actually, let's see.
Alright, so we're nearing Winnipeg Beach. There's a huge stop sign.
Why not straight? Water straight. But why don't we walk?
So right now we're heading to Winnipeg Beach. There's a lot of traffic though.
My legs are tired.
Actually, I'm doing fine. How about you, Hofer?
What?
How are your legs doing?
Yeah, they're holding up pretty well.
How are you doing, Josiah or Isaiah? How about you, Josiah?
My legs are a bit tired.
Yeah,
But
same.
other than that,
My butt! Oh shoot, that's a nice bike. And it was for sale. Anyways, my butt hurts like crazy right now.
oh no. Ah. Well, go in fully.
What? What's that?
An Indian snack. You want some?
Sure. So what are we doing right now?
These dummies want to go in this stupid lake.
Yeah, we're just watching, enjoying it. Waving to a boat now. No.
Is that boat coming to?
I think they're trying to call over those geese.
Gimli! Look at that guy. Ah. It seems we have made it to Gimli. Oh, what?
Wait, are we not gonna be in the photo?
No.
Sai,
Hey,
how are you feeling?
feeling pretty good about almost getting to Gimli finally. And
Oh.
getting camp set up soon. Gonna see the statue right now. So we just found our spot.
Okay, okay. Here's our beautiful spot.
So we've made camp. We got tent 1, tent 2, tent 3. So Liam and Ethan are sleeping in this one, Elijah and I in that one, and last one is Caleb and John. So some of the boys are going swimming right now for a little bit, and Elijah and I are gonna stay back and maybe make a fire. Well, we will make a fire, and yeah, we'll have a good time, get to bed sometime maybe, and cook up some good food.
Let's see how cold it is.
I'm not going in there.
Oh! Oh! Well, hopefully getting a nice little fire going. Hoping it will be
using some driftwood.
yeah, driftwood. Yes, sir.
Expecting a lot of rain right now, so let's hope it doesn't get too bad. Well, guess we have to leave at 3 then. Just in the morning.
God, the cops called on us. We're walking away.
Well, here we are.
Well, the fellas are packing up. We got cops called on us. Apparently we aren't allowed to camp here. So the people that we talked to are nice.
Never ever steal someone's personal car and drive it into the lake off their porch, ever. And then camp next to them.
We're gonna pack it up and possibly go to a campground. So, this is the plan. So to depart, see what our situation is for where we're sleeping. I don't know. that really put things off because it was a sticky situation. So, I'm gonna try to figure out some things. We might go to Camp Morton a couple miles down the road. We'll see if it's late, so hopefully they accept us. Yeah. About to leave.
What camp?
Shoot. Already a breakdown. Some person called the cops on us before even talking to us about what we were doing. Well, what a beautiful sunset, chaotic day, great day, good stories, and yeah, about to see if Camp Morton will have a spot for us. Well, it is 4 a.m. We are loaded down, about to depart the campground toward Winnipeg. Well, first stop in the rain. Been experiencing skinwalkers along the way. It'd be a long, miserable, scary day. Bike in here. Bike in here in the rain. So, John.
Car back.
Car back.
Crazy. I'm wet and soaking. I'm having so much fun, guys. We can bark all we want.
Just dropped the Gatorade. Wow.
No, it was just a funny joke, that's all.
We got the highway all to ourselves. Wow. Sucker, 2 kilometers. Finally. 2 kilometers. Sucker. Made it.
Alright, so we're in Selkirk. We're pretty close to Ricky's house right now. I kind of had to sacrifice my butt there for a bit. Had to sit on it for a while to keep up with these guys. But we're back. We're almost home. I'm tired. My feet are soaking. They're gonna be an old man's toes when we get back, all wrinkly. But we're back and I'm happy. I'm thirsty. Oh, I want a bath real bad.
Oh shoot, we've got the police again.
Go to water.
We're
Go
floating.
to water.
Oh.
Thanks.
Where's your house? 4 from here?
8. Yes. 8 more kilometers. How do you feel?
Exhausted.
How do you feel?
Tired.
Alright. How do you feel?
I'm having fun.
Spectacular. We're here.
Like John's right out there.
Johnny y Paul.
Get fried.
We have made it. that we only left yesterday.
Long 2 days.